Hi guys, this is Shawaku7 and this will be a very brief video, but it contains very important information that I want to share with you. I just finished watching the documentary Arnold Knows Me, the Tommy Kono story, and I recently did a YouTube video about advice that Tommy Kono, who is America's greatest weightlifter of all time, gave about strength training. And I highly recommend everyone who's interested in strength training to watch the documentary, and I'll provide a link for it. The documentary is interesting for several reasons, but it contains valuable information that I believe home gym owners across America will probably be interested in. This still from the documentary should be of interest to every home gym owner. This appears to be a dual-purpose squat stand and jerk block that's been homemade out of wood studs, and this can be easily made, probably within an afternoon project, because that appears to be wood studs, which are very, very cheap. I mean, I can buy a 10-foot wood stud for around $4 over at Lowe's. Also check out the weight plate storage device that appears to be homemade too. This is Tommy Kono's basement gym, and as you can see, it's very modest. But the equipment he used was very functional and very effective, because he became America's greatest weightlifter of all time. But if you're interested in home gym equipment, Tommy Kono proved that you don't need to buy expensive home gym equipment to become very, very strong. But this particular picture here shows the concentration camp gym that Tommy Kono first started his strength training in. And as you can see, it appears to be made out of parts from trucks or trains or cars. And it's basically just 6 barbells and a pair of heavy dumbbells. And the weight plates, at least some of them, appear to be gears, possibly from a train, locomotive of some sort. Okay, I just wanted to share that information. I mean, gym equipment doesn't have to be expensive to be functional or effective. And this is something from Tommy Kono's past that can benefit a lot of Americans today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload more YouTube videos. And as always, thanks for watching.